islands, or here it is group of island, and here a very big country. Next to it is China, and then in size comes India. So first is Russia, China, and then India. Some of the largest country in the world. And on this page, children, the Asian countries and their capitals are given. So in this lockdown period, you are asked to learn, memorize these all country and their capitals. So altogether 50 countries and their capitals are given. Now let us move further. The countries of Asia are divided into different groups based on their location. First, East Asia. East Asia means in the eastern part, in the eastern side. Japan, North Korea, South Korea, Taiwan, China, Mongolia. Then comes North Asia, the Asian part of Russia. Central Asia, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan. Southeast Asia, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Brunei, East Timor, and Philippines. Then South Central Asia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Maldives. West Asia, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Yemen, Jordan, Israel, Palestine, Lebanon, Syria, Turkey, Cyprus. So children, here in this box it is given that most Asian countries were colonies of European nations and have achieved independence only in 20th century. Some of them include India and Malaysia. Children, you know very well that over India, British were ruling for around 200 years, but like India, other countries also got independent from their rule. Vietnam and Cambodia from the French, Indonesia and Mauritius from Dutch, Maldives and Macau from Portuguese. Now next, the political setup of the Asian countries varies from democracy, like India is a democratic country. India and Bangladesh, dictatorship such as North Korea. 2. Monarchies. Monarchies means where the kings are ruling the country, like Saudi Arabia and UAE, United Arab Emirates.